I hereby inform the Honorable Court I'm withdrawing as the counsel of your case 1 to 4.
Isimemezelo esithuse abanengi. Advocate Malesela Teffo ulila ngokukhahlunyezwa nakuthoma icala. Okwenzeke ekuthomeni bengasinge kokuthoma phakathi kwakhe nesikhulu esiphethe icala ngensolo zokuthi batsho ucitha isikhathi sekhoto.
I still reiterate that I think this is a protocol and the right protocol because the matter belongs to the parties, to the state and the accused, not to the court. The court has to listen what the parties have agreed upon.
No.
There is agreement.
The court has to direct these proceedings. I cannot hear from the two of you. I have to direct my proceedings the way I know proceedings should run. And you cannot tell me how I should proceed. I should direct those proceedings. And I have told you, I need an explanation.
What happened yesterday, amongst others, we saw my colleague, Advocate Teffo, derobing after he had finished addressing the court, having withdrawn. It is an absolute no-no. You don't do that. You also do not speak disrespectfully towards your colleagues. Worse off, you do not address the judge in the parlance that he did. I would be very surprised if the Legal Practice Council doesn't do anything about it.
Kuthe kunjalo Advocate Malesela wafuna ukuveza incwadi ebuya kumsolwa wesithathu ngensolo zokuthi batsho uyakhahlunyezwa ejele kodwana ikhothwa khange ikareke. Bekwafuneka bona umthobisi mncube abizelwe ngaphambili.
It's going to cause a tremendous delay in the matter. As I said, the new legal representatives will have to familiarize themselves with the entire record and what has transpired thus far so that they can represent their clients properly.
Cala lizokuraka ngomhla ka-2 inyanga ezako. Sekuzokutholakala lapho bona abasolwa bazabe sebanalo na igcwetha. Kusesenjalo Office kaMengameli ihlabile yabe yayiphaya Izwangobatjho evela ku-Advocate Teffo yokuthi office kaMengameli iyathindeka ezenzweni zokuthusela nesiqundo sakhe sokuthi azihocise ecaleni lika-Meyiwa. Office kaMengameli ithi akunafakazi kulezwangobatjho. Injalo nje iqothele ukona isithunzi se-office likaMengameli.